Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can just change the prices of your Shopify products. So to change that, you have to just make the account and just log in the account in your Shopify. And as you can see here, at the left side in products. So in the products, we have three products as you can see. So I have just connected it to my like here is CJ Shopping. This one is from CJ Shopping and this is from AliExpress and this is from Printify. So let's change the price. So to change the price, you have to just click on this. So as you can see, so it's important to change the price because it matters about like profit also. So as you can see, this all are the prices of my product. So here we can change it. So you can just change, make it price. So we can just do as here you can see. So we can make it as $49. So it's also like $49, $49, and here you can see $49. So as you can see, we have to save it. So we have to just go back and check it in our online preview option. So as you can see, so the prices has been changed. So let's do for all the products. So let's do for this petcom. So here we can see as we have a petcom, dog petcom. So here you can see it's like innovative 90 rotatory pet SPA hair removal comb. So at the right side you can see market is like in US and it's for international also, not for international. So make it to international, you can just buy a plan. So to buy a plan, you have to just click on your settings. So here to go to plan option. So as you can see, you have to just click on choose plan. So Shopify provides us three plans option. So first is basic. Basic is for like basic needs as such as like everything that creates a store and a ship products and process payments. And the advance is for the lowest fees transaction. As you can see, we have to pay for like first 3 months for $1, then 3 months for $1. As you can see. So as you can see here the product is. So let's go to our site. You can see at the home. So as you can see, this is our site's homepage. So let's publish this page. So as you can see, it's loading. You have to click on our online store. So here you can see we have to click on here publish. This is my new new page that I've made. So if we click publish, okay. So we can go to our product again. So here we have to click on like collection we can do. So collection is home page, you can just edit this. So let's go to product again. So I'm changing the price of this product. So this is from Printify. So here you can see the product images. So let's go down. So here are the prices you can see 29, 32, 33, 34. You can see. So we can just take it all at once and we can just make the changes from here. So we can just do as here and just change as $35. So we can make it as here also 35. Okay. So here we can just change it to 35. So as you can see, so we have to save it. So here are the tags for this product as you can see. So Here you can see these are the three products that are on our Shopify. So this is how you can just change the price, and you can see at the online store. So let's visit our online store and see once prices have been changed or not. So let's click on here as viewer online store. So here you can see our store. So we'll click on our shop. So as you can see, let's move to catalog. So as you can see, we have changed the price to 29 is 35. So let's check the prices for all. So here you can see it have been changed. So this is how you can just change the price of your products on your Shopify. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.